Is that you? Really? You're here at night? Wait, you have to be right. Let me turn on the light. Ha! What a sight! You're here at night. Blue, we have a nighttime visitor. This is great. Come on in. We just finished up dessert, and whoa, did you make that sound? No, that didn't really sound like you. Hey, I think we heard a night sound. Come on, let's figure it out. It's getting closer. The sound is getting louder. Maybe it's coming from outside. It's sort of a chirping sound. What do you think it is? Yeah, it is a cricket chirping right outside our window. Let's listen. It must be getting pretty late because crickets are usually only out at night.
Well, this is just great that you're here at night.
Ooh, that's my first yawn of the night. You know what that means, Blue?